Part 2 of riding the train. This is the first time the red train has been out this year, according to the Bureau. So it's bumpy.
Hey, it's Sylvester. Sylvester.
Looks like it's having a little bit harder of a time staying on.
That pouring roller coaster we went on.
The bitter remains of Iron Wolf. It looks so bland. Oh, it's the wooden one we went by the go-karts. It's the wooden one by the go-karts. That's all that's left of Iron Wolf. The drop used to be like right here. Or the lift hill used to be on this side. There's some extras of Iron Wolf, and there's now the defunct Iron Wolf station. We miss you, Wolfie. You were a great person.